Going on a bubble mission. Huh. Whistle for me. I know you can blow bubbles. Can you whistle? How old are you now?
3.
3, and you can whistle. That's pretty impressive. Can you do it again? Who taught you how to whistle like that? Who taught you how to whistle, Liz?
Granny.
Granny taught you how to whistle?
Yeah.
Not Poppy?
No.
No. I didn't know Granny could whistle like that.
Matthew can't whistle.
No, Matthew can't whistle, no.
I felt a hole.
Kind of hole.
A tiny hole.
A tiny hole? You're very good at blowing bubbles, aren't you? Whoa.
Yeah.
Do bubbles have names? Imagine if we had to name all the bubbles.
They don't have name bubbles.
Oh. Imagine if we had to put names on them all. What would you call them? Bubble Boy, Bubble Beanie, Bubble Bath, Bubble Bob.
No bubble bath.
Hubba Bubba. Bugaloo.
Bugaloo.
One more whistle. Good job. Say goodnight.
Good night.
Say I love you.
I love you.